This is what kind of a mess this place is in right now from working on the kitchen and me being a pig. Just want to look at, there's the dishwasher, tools, there's a tarp there, cat food in the corner. This is where the water spot was. The light ain't working. Okay, I got the light working now. This is where I had to patch it. And right here is where I think it was leaking down on this area right here, and maybe this plastic deal here. I'm not sure. Comes out about right there somewhere. Inside, you can see I got all the guts out of it, trying to work on it. This thing is junk. Here's inside the cabinet where I got it clamped. Here's that board I was talking about that's loose. See how easy that slides? That just happened all of a sudden. It pops off. Hard to do with one hand. See how that just pops off? There's the little plastic things I was talking about. They're tight, but for some reason it's not holding good. Maybe I need to put some sticky stuff on here or something. Anyway, as you can see, I got stuff all over the house. It's a mess. See you later.